This is the Bostitch model ESD-450S2P. It's a pneumatically operated plier stapler. It uses a 16 gauge 1-inch crown staple available up to 2 inches leg length. This is a great stapler for doing heavy double wall or stapling triple wall corrugated like a bin or the lid of a Gaylord box. It's pretty much the only stapler that's going to get through that heavy corrugated. The way the stapler works is we have a button that does the compression of the corrugated that you hit first, and then you pull the trigger to fire the staple.